Hi friends, and hello back to the channel. Today we're going high for a. I can't think. I don't think that it will be a like picnic, but I don't know. It's just like I want to go up to a place that I was wanted to visit it. So yeah. So today I don't know how much time I have because I didn't visit this place before. So maybe I have 30 minutes, I think, 30 minutes. So let you with the video, and today is a rainy day. It's really rainy, and that's why I want to visit the place because the forest with rain is showing beautiful wine. Let you with the video.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
After going to our place, I want to visit this place. It's look amazing. So I will check out. I will check inside this forest, this place. So let you with the video. Also, there is some people here. I know they doing party. So yeah, it's like students. I don't know. Also, I was wanted to stay there for a little time, but there is a people. So I hate when I come to a place and I find people. I don't know. It's just like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just like I don't want high voices around me. That's why. That's the reason. You can hear the voices. It's making me really mad. But anyway, I just wanted to visit it, so I take a look. Now we can go to our place. So hi again. Like my hair is terrible because of the winter, because of the rain. Sorry. It's a really good day. I love the rain and I love take a picnic. I like hiking in the rain. It's showing amazing wine. So when we will get our place, I will talk about something. I don't know, just like hiking, camping, trips, like that. And I'm really sick because of the winter, you know. It's like cold bath, cold beach. So yeah. Finally I get the way. I will show you the place now because I want to go. Since the place is there, you will not see. I'm going now out inside the forest, not like you say. So yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. You will like it, the video, because it's a really good place, and I love it so much. I didn't visit it before, but I just saw it in a time before that I was going to a park. So I saw the place, so I like it, and I didn't visit it because it was really late to visit it when I was doing the video. So I wish you would like it. I hope. Let you with the forest. It's amazing. It's showing beautiful line. Look, look. I love this. Really. Yeah, you would think that it's just something, just normal stuff, but I'm like, I'm in love with this stuff. You know, it's showing an amazing, beautiful look. So yeah, that's why I love this stuff. I think this is the way. Ooh, I didn't bring a bottle of water. I don't like the British saying bottle of water. I don't know. It's like in English, in American English, we say bottle of water or bottle of water. But in British accent, we say a bottle of water. I don't know. It's like a hard accent. But anyway, cause it's too cold. Don't you hear the sound of me? I forget the music. It's really beautiful, friends. I wish if you were there, here, but you will say that with me. Just don't forget to do like to the video and subscribe if you didn't subscribe my channel yet. To say more, and also I put some videos on my Instagram behind the scene. If you want to say like I'm doing trend like dancing like mini scene, so mini stuffs, but you will like it because whoa, wait, I want to show you something. Look at this tree. It's beautiful. It's like look, I'm in love. Go. It's us move. We're close to the place. we're going close. I'm sorry, just like my English, it's not better, but you understand me, right? The beautiful, the beautiful thing is that when the winter is coming and like the rainy days and snowy days, it's showing the forest amazing. That's it. That was I want to visit these forests and this place, and I love forest so much. And I hope in the future so much. My home, like I can have a house in a forest, at the forest, because I love so much to wake up as a beautiful weather, at a beautiful wine, washing my face at forest and looking at the beautiful scene front me. It's like really emotional, and I hope so much. And it's beautiful tree. Look, this little tree, small tree. Wait with me. I wanna just take a look. Okay, now it's look good. Now, beautiful. How I can say that? I just like I move for a second and I find something beautiful. Look, also like this tree here. I like it. Beautiful one. I like staying there. I'm thinking of this like a house there, mini house, small house. I will stay forever in my life. Not much time. We gotta go. We gotta go to our place. Just like a little time. I don't know. So it's like it takes just 50 minutes, I think, or just 10 minutes to get our place. So let us build. I can't imagine myself. I can't imagine myself here with my wife. You know, that's like my wife is now. She's now. I don't know. She's now herself now. What? It's just like I target her. I target her now. She know herself when she will say the video. I love you so much, my wife, my future wife. So yeah, it's like she's starstruck. Emily, yeah, I love you so much. Ooh, we're getting close to our place. Yeah, that's it. This is our place. Look at the beautiful. You know, France, because it's fall. So yeah, this is why the weather is so beautiful today. What? Fuck you. Look at these. I really love it. You know, it's like ham out of chicken. Now I will show you. This is our place that I want to visit it because it's really beautiful. We will back to this tree that is fall in earth. I will stay there to take some pictures and to take a video, but now we should to say that's beautiful. I love this. What the fuck? It's like a tree. Forest at the north. It's like you can see. Beautiful white. Beautiful weather. Oh. Oops. I love myself. I love myself so much when I come to the forest. Wait for a second. I didn't bring the right shoes. I didn't think that it would be like that. subscribe. There is so many birds. Fuck! I forget the name of birds. I didn't talk with English in a video, so that's why. Also, like when I do a video, when I make a video for channel, it's like just like a theater for me. You know, theater. Like I'm in a scene or like I'm in a movie. And like I'm acting for people. So yeah, I'm being shy and I forget anything that I learned. It's like that. Look. Hands checking. These little stops, I like them. Anyway, this is our place. You can't say the beauty of the place. I have said that before because it's just like in the last time I didn't have the time. I wasn't have the time to take the video, so that's why I didn't take it. You can say it's the last video that I put it when I visit a forest because by traveler and by chevalier, okay. And also my kids in this video I get from this place. I went from this place, so that's why just like it was late because I have visited church and after old church, and after I get visited this park. We will also say this tree. You can say this. It's there. But I will make a video, amazing video. Wait. Like I said, I will go to show you these three. The list is the list. It's the list minutes for a video because there is just this tree over there, and there is some tree fall in the earth. So yeah, this has make us a photography or a sand video. we're going out to the fall tree, to the tree that is pale on the air. So let's have chicken. Oh, this is the field tree. I'm gonna say the other tree. Look at this tree. It's like old age. Guys, and for video, I hope you like the video and you share it with your friend and in social media, all social media. So see you in the next video and see you in the next adventure. Yeah. Pop, 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 pop.